Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So yesterday market was closed, so today you can clearly see that market opens gap up and after that it continuously shows negative movement until 43,270 and after that it right now trades around 43,350 level. So it kind of looks negative to me, but if it trades above that 43,450 or 500 and shows strong positive movement, or if it trades around that 43,600 tomorrow, then maybe it shows some strong positive movement after that on expiry day. So if it opens gap up and small gap up and opens flat, then shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. But if it trades below 43,300 or 250 and shows negative movement, then you can also consider it for selling. Our target will be round level 43,100 to round level 43,000. Now let's look into 15 candle for identifying any kind of trade. In 15 candle you can clearly see that today market opens gap up around that 43,450 and it immediately took resistance from that. But you can clearly see that on closing day of that Friday, it continuously took support from that level and right now it trades around that range. So if tomorrow market trades below 43,250 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can consider it for selling and our target will be 43,100 to round level 43,000 as I said in one candle chart. But if it opens gap up and if it trades in that range which is 40,400 to 40,470 and if it trades above 40,450 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. And as I said, our target will be round level 40,600 to 40,800 and it may be happen that if it opens a gap up above that 40,500 and if it opens gap up and shows strong positive movement, then you can also consider it for buying. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one candle chart. In Nifty also you can clearly see that it made kind of doji candle here. So when it breaks that 18,200 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. But right now it trades around 18,150. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market wants to go open flat and if it trades above 18,170 or 18,190 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. And our target will be around 18,200 to 250. But let's assume that if it opens gap down and if it opens flat and shows negative movement or if it trades below 18,100, then you can also consider it for selling and our immediate target will be 18,050 to round level 18,100. So in Bank Nifty and Nifty it made doji candle here, in Bank Nifty it made negative candle, in Nifty it made positive candle. So my suggestion would be let it opens gap up or opens flat and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. But if it opens gap down and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. In 15 candle you can clearly see that market trades in a range and if tomorrow market opens in between that range and if it breaks that low which is 18,120 or 115 and shows strong negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. And as I said, our target will be 18,050 to round level 18,000. But it may be happen that if it opens gap up or if it trades between that range and if it trades above 18,180 or 85 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. 18,250 will be our next target. So in 15-minute candle it kind of goes sideways. So let it opens flat or opens gap up and shows any kind of movement towards buying, then you can consider it for buying. If it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components, because if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty option, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. In Bank Nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that it made kind of doji candle here and it immediately took resistance around that 1700 level. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market once again try to trade say above 1690, then you can consider it for buying. Target will be 1700, and if it trades above 1700 during 1 or 2 p.m. and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying also. Target will be around 1710. But if it trades below 1685 or 83 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be 1670. Now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, it also trades above the 920 level, which previously acted as a major resistance level. So my suggestion would be if market tomorrow opens gap down, opens flat or opens gap up, and if it immediately took support from that 920 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. And we can set our target to 932 round level 940. But if it trades below 919 or 980 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling also. And target will be 910 to 905. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, you can clearly see that it took resistance around that 580 level. So my suggestion would be, if market once again trades below that 572 or 73 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Because from the last 7 to 8 days, market continuously goes up. So if it goes down and if it once again took support from that 570, and after that if it shows any kind of positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. So if tomorrow market opens flat, opens gap down and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. But if it opens a gap up around 578, 79, or if it trades above 580 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Our target will be 587 to round level 590. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see that today it made a doji candle here, and it also tried to trade below that 1900 level, but it could not sustain there. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again try to trade above 1920 or 25 and show strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying, and target will be around 1937 to 1940. But if it trades below 1915 or 12 and shows negative movement, then you can also consider it for selling. Immediate target will be round level 1900, next target will be 1890. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it opens a gap up, and if it continuously took support from that 870 level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again trades above 872 or 73 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying, and our target will be 880 to round level 885. Let's assume that if it opens a gap down and if it trades below 867 or 65 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be 860 to 853. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, it also took resistance from that 1160 level, which also previously acted as a major resistance level. So my suggestion would be, if you wanted to take any kind of buy trade, then it needs to trade above that 1180 level, because previously we have seen large resistance around that zone. So it needs to trade above that. But if tomorrow market once again trades below 1150 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 1140 to round level 1129. So as I said, if you wanted to take trade buying, then you need to trade above that 1180 during this week. Then after that you can consider it for buying. So that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment section.